How to boot from a USB drive on Windows 11. Booting from a USB drive is one of the most useful tools in your Windows 11 toolkit. Whether you're reinstalling the OS, recovering a system, or running diagnostics, here's how to do it step by step. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is needed? Start by making sure you have a bootable USB drive. You'll need an 8GB or larger USB, a Windows 11 ISO, and Microsoft's Media Creation tool. Download the tool, select Create Installation Media for another PC, and follow the prompts to generate a bootable USB stick. Once that's ready, there are 3 ways to boot from the USB. Let's walk through each one. 3 ways to boot from the USB. First, use Advanced Startup. Plug in the USB drive. Then go to Settings, System, Recovery. Under Advanced Startup, click Restart Now. When your PC restarts, choose Use a Device and select your USB drive. Your system will boot straight into it. Second, try the Boot menu key. This method works when your PC won't boot normally. Insert the USB, then power on the machine and press the Boot menu key, usually F12, F10, Escape, or Del. Use the arrow keys to select the USB and hit Enter. Third, if you're on a Microsoft Surface, shut it down first. Insert the USB, hold volume down, then press and release the power button. Keep holding volume down until the Surface logo appears. Troubleshooting. If your USB drive doesn't show up, make sure it's formatted correctly and avoid using hubs or adapters. Still not working? You might need to enter the BIOS, set the USB as the first boot device, or temporarily disable Secure Boot. With these methods, booting from USB on Windows 11 becomes a powerful tool for any IT admin or power user. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to boot from a USB drive on Windows 11, linked in the description below.